The United Arab Emirates UAE authorities have assured Interior Minister Said Mohsen Reza Naqvi of simplifying the work visa process for Pakistani citizens. During his special visit to the UAE Minister, Mohsen Naqvi was warmly received at the UAE Ministry of Interior, where he was presented with a guard of honor and introduced senior Emirati officials, according to media reports. Naqvi later met with UAE Deputy Prime Minister and Interior Minister Lieutenant General Sheikh Saeb bin Zayed Al Nahyan in Abu Dhabi. The two leaders discussed the visa challenges faced by Pakistani nationals, agreeing to implement necessary steps to ease the process, particularly in the work visa category. The meeting also focused on enhancing bilateral cooperation in security, counter narcotics, anti smuggling operations, and combating illegal immigration with emphasis on the exchange of modern technology. Both ministers reiterated their commitment to strengthen historical ties between two brotherly nations and agreed to expand cooperation across multiple sectors. They also exchanged views on the regional security landscape and emphasized the need to leverage artificial intelligence and advanced technology to confront emerging security challenges. Naqvi appreciated the UAE assurance and remarked that Pakistani regard the UAE as a valuable brotherly nation. He noted that a large number of Pakistani expatriates are contributing significantly to the UAE economy, and easing visa restrictions will offer much needed relief and economic opportunities. Later, Minister Naqvi visited Abu Dhabi Police Modern Policing and Operations Monitoring System, where he was briefed by UAE officials about their advanced operational framework. Mohsen Naqvi expressed deep interest in the cutting edge monitoring technologies and praised the UAE policing model for crime prevention and public safety. Prominent Emirati officials present, including Assistant Under Secretary for Resources and Support Services Major General Salim Ali Al Shamsi and Abu Dhabi Police DG Major General Sheikh Mohammed bin Tahan Al Nihan, AI and Digital Security DG Brigadier Engineer Hussain Ahmed, and Federal Anti Narcotics Department DG Brigadier Said Abdullah Al Sawedi. Pakistan's Ambassador Faisal Niaz Trimisi, Deputy Head of Mission, and senior embassy officials also accompanied the minister during the visit.